In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Cloudflare. Clearing cache is what you do when you've updated content, but visitors are still seeing the old version. We'll walk through the Cloudflare dashboard and look at both precise, targeted purges and a full purge, so you can choose the safest option for your situation. Start by signing in and heading to your Cloudflare dashboard. From the main view, open the section that lists your domains. Select the domain you want to work on so you're managing the correct website. Once you're inside that domain settings, go to the caching area. This is where Cloudflare controls how content is stored and delivered from its edge network. Within caching, open the configuration tab. You'll see tools for clearing items out of cache right away. Choose custom purge when you only want to remove specific items. This is the best practice most of the time because it limits impact on your visitors. In custom purge, you'll see several options. URL lets you paste one or more exact page or file addresses you want to refresh, like a single image, style sheet, or a specific page you just changed. Use this when only a few assets are outdated. Hostname focuses on everything cached under a particular subdomain, such as the content served from a specific hostname. This is helpful if you've made broad changes that affect a whole subdomain and want a wider, but still controlled purge. Tag lets you clear content that your site has labeled with cache tags. If your application adds these tags in response headers, you can purge a whole set of related files at once, which is great for sites with structured content updates. Prefix lets you clear everything under a path, such as a whole section of your site. It's useful after a large batch of updates to a directory. Use it carefully since it can remove a lot of items in one go. When precision isn't enough and you truly need a clean slate, there's Purge Everything. This removes all cache content for the selected domain across Cloudflare's edge. Only use it when you've made major site-wide changes or are troubleshooting caching issues. To run it, select Purge Everything and confirm the action. Be aware that traffic may briefly experience slightly slower loads while Cloudflare rebuilds the cache. After any purge, give it a moment to propagate, then revisit the change pages to confirm you're seeing the latest version. That's it. You now know how to clear cache in Cloudflare with confidence and choose the right level of control for each update.